Hello, Jackie here. Wanted to help explore some virtual online school options for you. You may not know that there's more than just one or even two options. There are more options. Well, I'm sorry, I'm shaking my desk. Everything's going crazy here. So let's go. One, you need to start asking yourself some questions. Do you want the public model? There are many of these virtual options mostly under the public model, where you are required for attendance. You're required to maybe be on a live class at a certain time or watch a recording, and then there's a little accountability on that. You may want a diploma, a certain transcript. If you want that path, that's available to you. If you want to stay in bed and do school at midnight or do whatever, do them in your pajamas and not be required for anything, there's a path for that too. So let's go in. Let me share my screen and dive right into this. All right. I'm on the Florida Virtual School website, flvsnet. If you have been here before, great. If you haven't, welcome. This is one of the first options with two little sub options. The best thing is to click on this student and parent link, and we're going to get to that. There we go. Scroll on down. You can watch this video. This video is great to explain it all. But this down here, this little chart, the two middle columns, is what we're going to look at. FLVS Flex are for those who need that flexibility, and I can go in detail in a moment. FLVS Full-Time is public, so it's basically emulating the public school option, but in a virtual sense. There is testing, there are attendance at times, there are live classes and things to go to. So again, when you look at this option, you're like, what do I do? Now, the other options I'm going to show you, the difference is curriculum. So this curriculum is made by the teachers of the state of Florida. It is an amazing curriculum. The elementary, if you were familiar with elementary years ago, it was a certain way, very eclectic. Now it has this amazing FLVS Flex. The K through 5 curriculum is, and I'm sure I think it's the same as a full-time. I think they used to use different, now they use the same. FLVS Flex and full-time K through 5 curriculum, it's amazing. It's amazing. They have the 4 core classes plus 2 electives options that you can choose from. Actually, I think they have 3 electives. They have technology. I can't remember right now. One year they had PE, another year they had music. So depends on the years. We're not taking an elective with them right now in elementary, so that's why I don't know. All right, well, you'll need to check it out. This is the summer of 2020, by the way, to tag this video. So whenever you're watching this, if you're watching this years down the road, you'll know the difference. So FLVS, if you're interested in it, just click this link up here, request info, fill out the little pop-up window of your name and email, and they will send you information. So here we are, this option, Florida Virtual School. You have a public or a homeschool or private umbrella school curriculum choice method for you. This is awesome. Next, you have Florida Cyber Charter Academy. FLCCA is the acronym here. FLCCA, you can see in the link here in the window. So here is their information box. Go ahead and put your name, email information in there and get them to send you information. This is using the K-12 curriculum. Very fantastic curriculum. We have used it as well. Loved it. Oh, I especially love the history lessons. I didn't learn that much history when I was in kindergarten or first or second or third or however they do it. And this school rocks it. I tell you, their curriculum is top notch. Again, Florida teachers, such support. So back here on this one, FLVS Flex, you will have Florida teachers supporting you all the way. FLVS Full-Time, you will have Florida teachers supporting you all the way. Same with the Florida Cyber Charter, mostly Charter Academy. This is a wonderful, wonderful option again for you as well. You can check it out. Both of these options, all 3 of these options that I've already told you, have clubs. They have other extracurricular activities. They have, as we're able to, currently probably not, meetups and things like that. More options. Yes, there's more. You didn't probably know that. FLDOE's website. If you come here to the Florida Department of Education's website, you go to schools, you go down to school choice. This is the best way. I know there's probably 10 different ways to get to this page, but I love this page, full of information right here, easy. Go to the virtual education part here. So we'll go ahead and click on that. But actually, I just noticed the one click, well, we'll go ahead and do this, but I'm going to basically go to this first line, the approved VIP virtual instruction program providers. When my children started out in Florida virtual schools options, this is actually what we started with. We were in Duval VIP. So this is what we started with. And these are the approved providers. These are the different curricula. You guys can correct me on that one. But here we are. They have the Connections. People have heard of Connections Academy. Here you can scroll through this list. So before seeing this video, you may have thought there was this really narrow gate of online options. You know, maybe you've heard of K-12, you've seen commercials, or you knew about FLVS. I mean, who doesn't, right? But you may not know FLVS had flex and public, you know, like the full-time. So you have the FLVS flex, FLVS full-time, the K-12 option with Florida Cyber Charter Academy, FLCCA, and now you have the VIP programs with more options. So what was probably a narrow door before for you is now this huge door that has all these options. So go back to the sites, we'll check it out together. Let's do this together. I don't want you to feel alone. That's why I'm doing these videos, guys. I'm a mom, by the way. I don't know if I've said it in this video. I'm a mom of 4. I have a grade school I have 1 in elementary, 2 in middle, and 1 in high school. And we've been doing this about 9 years, all these different options, and mostly virtual in this case. All right, so as you look through here, you can go to their pages. I'm not going to go through them, but please check them out, see what's going on, and see what your options are. Contact your district, your county provider, about their virtual instruction program. Again, if you want to stay with the county, if you want to stay in public, if you want to stay with, you know, the, what is it called? Diploma, if you want to get, this will keep your transcript with the district. This will do all these things. So again, for some people, that's what they want, and this is what's good. We've done it before. If you want my 2 cents, it was a little stressful for us, so we didn't do it anymore. We were with K-12, love the curriculum, love the teachers, but again, some of the paperwork for us got to be overwhelming, but that's been years, so it may be different now. Check them out, please do. And check out the VIP. This is, again, we did this a long time ago when things were new, so things have been greatly changing every year for every option. And then FLVS, again, they've been doing it over 20 years, so long. So they opened it up to the elementary about 4 years ago, maybe. So it's been great options. So there you go. Threw it at you. The ball's in your court, but please, again, do not feel alone. That's why I'm doing these videos, because there's just so much out there. So comment below, like, subscribe, notifications, all that fun stuff. But really, overall, I hope I didn't confuse you more. I hope I helped, again, open the door a little wider so you know you have options. There's more than one. I don't want you to feel like you only have a few. We're in a new life, a new world, a new everything. It's just been confusing and challenging time for everyone. So please breathe and message me, or again, talk to your district about your options. Okay? All right. Stay safe, be well, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.